Good morning. In this video we are going to be moving on to the roof, repairing the roof and closing up some stuff on it. So yeah, gotta say it's pretty cool to have all these windows and doors in finally. Give you a little view of it. Much hotter in here though. I got all of them open though, so hopefully it'll cool down, except for that one. So I think I'm gonna take these out. Take both our skylights out. We are going to blank them out. We will be putting in a max air fan, probably somewhere in here. That'll be one thing that we do. Also, every one of our marker lights here, we're gonna replace these with LEDs. So I'll have to weld up these holes and make new ones. Also, we have right over here, I don't know if you can tell, but there is some old antenna holes. Maybe you can see the light in that one. Those are going to be welded up. I think that's probably about what we got on repairing the roof. Then we'll move on to the roof deck, the solar deck and the roof deck. I guess you can call it a solar deck. It's a mount. Glad I'm not trying to save these things. Dry rotted, crappy. Just crappy. They've been leaking the whole time anyways. I guess they would have been salvageable if I would have just cleaned them up, but we don't care to use them. We will more than likely we will access the roof from the rear. I'm planning on putting a ladder back there, I think. Harder. I got most of the gunk that was left over. We're gonna see if this goof off stuff will work. Just gonna wipe it on with a rag and let it sit for a second and see if it'll get most of this stuff off, and then I'll get some measurements and probably go cut some metal. Oh yeah, this stuff is working good. Sorry for the wind, if there's any wind. I finished preparing the escape hatches. They've been painted, as you saw. My battery ran out while I was cutting out the deletes, I guess. So here they are. Alright, I'm gonna sand these and then I'm gonna paint them. Got them washed. I'm gonna dry them off, stick them up here, and paint them. Where am I gonna put you? Alright, I had to make you taller. Today, on the Jeremiah Ruins Everything show. Yep, see? We're gonna see how quickly I run out of paint. Because I didn't prepare for this. I don't know. I might make it. Wet and windy. It's not a good time to mess with the caulking and trying to seal these up, but we're gonna do it anyways. Feet. This is 30 feet of it.
So you'll just have a little bit on this one that you won't be able to do on the inside.
Well, if it's 16, it's more than 16 feet total. The whole thing, to double it. Yeah, you're right.
Because 15 plus 15 is 30.
Finished up the leads for the emergency exits. You can see we riveted them. The edges will get, or we put butyl tape over all the holes, all the way around a solid line. The edge, the seam will be sealed up, and each rivet, once we put the, sorry about the wind, once we put the we're gonna put the elastomeric paint on top, and that'll seal around all the rivet holes. It'll be a permanent fix. I really wish I would have got the right one. I got the wrong one. I got the non-leveling. You want the leveling. Alright guys, sorry, I dropped the ball on filming the rest of that. We did cover up the flashers on top with just a plate of metal and riveted those in. We'll probably go back around and weld those up later on, but for now, that's what they'll be. Also got the markers put in, the marker lights, sorry, put in on it. We welded up the old holes, drilled new holes, and put in new lights, LED lights that are a little bit more low profile. But that's it for this video. We thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.